Good morning, guys. How you doing? So, I'm back. I know it's been a super long time since the last vlog, and I'm super excited for today's vlog because today we're actually going to LA. It is a cool 6:35 a.m. and we are getting ready for our first cold start in early morning. Sorry it's so dark. Out of our first garage. Car's in the garage. My car is ceramic coated. My car is super clean, and it is about to destroy the neighbor's ears. So let's give it a little cold start, and then we'll go get some coffee, right? I locked myself out. All right, let's start the day. Well, that's pretty optimal, so, and we're going to Cali, so rest in peace to my wallet when we get there. Alright guys, so I'm in about 2.5 hours, close to 3 hours into my drive to LA to meet up with Zach. I finally got my coffee. I didn't want to get it while in Yuma. I just wanted to get out of there as soon as possible before everybody starts getting into the lines and pulling up traffic and all that stuff for Friday morning. So it's not really coffee. I usually get a vanilla bean frap with a shot of espresso. If you haven't tried that before, definitely try it. It's delicious. So while I'm got you guys right now, I just want to give you a quick update of everything that's going on in my life. Currently, Tanya and I finally got our own place, so we're renting out her old home to my father, my aunt, and my uncle. So they're all kind of renting that, and then we got a little place for ourselves, a little nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a garage. Thank God for the garage, because I am a stickler. I love the garage. It makes me happy. So we got that. I applied to the EMT Academy, and actually I just got in. So I'm super excited about that. Starting January 11th, I get to start basically learning or practicing to be an EMT at the Arizona Western College, which is actually pretty cool. It's only 1 semester. Which blows my mind a little bit because, you know, it's medical field stuff. I'm sorry if there's a glare from the sun on the thing. I'll have to see how the footage takes and see if I even use this or not. So basically EMT Academy, new home. Where I'm going right now, if you guys don't know, you don't follow my social, is the Daily Drivers events Winter Wonder Slammed for December. So I actually went and worked a show in October for DDI, and that was a pretty awesome show. We rented out the Tucson Expo Center. Hold up 1 second. Oh, that sounds great. So we rented out the Tucson Expo Center and we filled it. It was crazy. There's so many cars in there, and it was like such a tight pack. It was crazy. Anyway, so I did that, and then Zach, who is the owner and I guess you would say CEO or founder of DDI, has now basically hired me on his staff to work these shows, and I'm super excited. So that's where I'm going right now, is I'm going to help run another show, and this show is supposed to be super sick. It's a mall. We got outside spaces, we got in the mall spaces. It's gonna be awesome. I'll make sure to shoot some footage for you guys. basically that's all I had for the update. Thanks for sticking with me. Let's hit some more of this road and finally go and help Zach get his Corvette out of his garage. All right, let's go. All right, what's up guys? So we finally made it, and basically I got in and I was at Zach's house. We filled up my car, we grabbed pretty much everything we needed to, and then we went and hit the hotel, and we got there pretty late because traffic's pretty bad. But as you can see, we have completely pretty much filled out this mall. And this location is definitely the coolest DDI has had and that I've been to especially. And we pretty much sold out, and it's been our best show yet. Like, some of these cars are absolutely insane. So I'm so excited to like kind of just do a quick video because I know I've been gone a little bit, and to keep it less boring, I'll keep this short. And I'm actually gonna put in some sick drone footage I got of the entire show. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you guys so much, and you know, stay tuned for next video.